In this guide, I'm going to show you how to install the quick announcement feature onto your shop. When you log in, you'll see the dashboard page as always. So what you need to do is click the features tab up towards the top right hand side. It'll take you to the features page and that'll list all the features that you've installed already and those that you haven't yet. Scroll down to the more features box and quick announcement is the orange icon with the megaphone symbol. Click that and it'll take you to a wee page which gives you a bit of a summary about the feature and what it does, and then click install feature. Okay, and that will install the feature onto your shop. Then what you need to do is tick the box, okay, to enable your quick announcements, and then you can choose what message is displayed within your quick announcement bar. Okay, so you can have a button within your quick announcement bar, and the button text would be click here, for example, and then you can link it to a page on your shop. So just for fun, I'm just going to link it to, I'll link it to here, okay? But you can link it to a product page or a category page within your shop. So if instead of putting free delivery, I'd put something along the lines of new products in now, click here, and it would go directly to a product or category page, okay? When you scroll down a little further, you can decide how you want that quick announcement banner to display. So you can change the text colour, the background colour, the button text colour and the button colour. You can get these to match the branding that's on your shop. And as always, it's a colour picker window. So you can drag the circle round here. You can use the switch here to pick which colour, although ideally you should be using hex codes. And if you've got the hex codes for your branding aesthetic, you can paste those into this field here to add your hex codes. Okay, down at the bottom here you've got a preview of what this quick announcement banner is going to look like, and after that, when you've got everything sorted, click save. Now, a little word of warning here: if you've installed holiday mode or the EU cookie bar, for example, these are all banners that can show up on your home page. So at the moment I've got holiday mode installed on this shop. So if I click the shop tab and show you what it looks like, at the moment I have two bars up here. So this one is holiday mode and this one is quick announcement. Now, it's ideal if you only have one of these, okay? You don't need to have 3 and 4 banners at the top of the page. The reason for this is, even though it's maybe like ½ an inch here, it's pushing all of the content of your shop down and it's making your homepage longer. And a longer homepage doesn't make for a good customer experience, because customers don't usually scroll down to see the content of the homepage. What they do is they look for the menu, and then they'll find which category that they're interested in and they'll disappear off there, okay? So your homepage is your prime real estate. So don't waste that with lots of little banners. Just have one quick announcement or one holiday mode or one EU cookie bar, okay? For more of our support guides, you can find those on our support centre at help.abodo.shop. However, if videos are more your thing, you can also find us over on YouTube. Just bob over to youtube.com, type in Abodo, and you'll find us on there as well.